Today I'm going to address a question I get all the time from borrowers who are considering doing a short sale. And that question is, how is the short sale going to affect my credit? Well, there's two components you need to keep in mind.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.
First component is a foreclosure versus a short sale. That answer is very simple. A short sale is going to look much better on your credit report than a foreclosure is. That's for numerous reasons, guys. I mean, the most important reason is for future creditors looking at your credit report, whether it's a future bank, you want to get another house loan, whether it's a personal loan you want, whatever the case is, the lender's going to look at your report and realize they're going to say, okay, John here, he ran into a short-term hardship, hit a rough patch, don't we all sometimes? But the important part is he figured it out. He figured out a way to settle his debt with his lender rather than just letting the property foreclose. The second component you're going to want to remember is, yes, a short sale absolutely has a negative effect on your credit report. I hear people say all the time falsely that it doesn't affect it at all. It's just simply not true. So the best way to describe how much of a hit a short sale is going to have on your credit, it's really a case-by-case basis. But the best way to describe it is the higher your credit score is to begin with prior to the short sale, the more points it's going to decrease after the short sale. And that goes vice versa. The lower your credit score is coming into a short sale, the less points it's going to decrease. Random example, and again, I don't want to use exact numbers because it's a case-by-case basis, but let's say you come into a short sale and your credit is a 750. Let's say you have a great credit score. Well, the short sale is probably going to take a hit between 100 to maybe even 150 points. It's probably going to be over 100-point swing decrease on your credit score. Let's say you come into the credit with, prior to the short sale, you have a credit of 600, a little bit lower. In that case, you might be looking at a hit of 100 to maybe 60-point decrease after the short sale. And again, please keep in mind, those are all rough numbers, rough estimates. It's truly a case-by-case basis. Guys, I hope that helped, and I look forward to speaking with you on the next video.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.